Hey everyone, today I will show you how to recover Snapchat My Eyes Only photos, and here's how it is done. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Click on your profile button in the top left corner. Next, go to the settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll all the way down until you find the I Need Help section. Once you're on the support page, click on Contact Us and submit a report. Select I Need Help with a Snapchat feature, then choose Memories. When prompted, if you still need help, select Yes, and then choose My Eyes Only. Although Snapchat will say that content cannot be backed up, there is still a way to retrieve it. Select Yes again and fill out your username, email, and provide details about your issue in the description. Submit the report to Snapchat. And that is everything you need to know about how to recover Snapchat My Eyes Only photos. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.